Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to check your Hostinger builder appointments in both the Hostinger builder account and also directly on Google Calendar, on this Google Calendar. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website or the online store where you want to check your appointments, click on Manage Store. Now, to check your current appointments, current and past appointments, go to Appointments page and click on Overview. And here you will see your upcoming appointments like this one at this time, this date, the customer name, and this is the appointment that they booked. And from here you can see your past appointments with the same info. The second way to check your appointments in your Hostinger builder appointments is by going to the calendar or to the Google Calendar. As you see here, on this date I have those appointments, and let's check the second month. I have this appointment. How to view your Hostinger builder appointments on Google Calendar? Simply you need to connect your Hostinger builder system with Google Calendar. How to do it? Go to list of appointments, open the appointment that you want to connect, or not from here, my bad. Go to availability. And here next to connect your calendar, you will see a connect button. So let's disconnect it to show you the process. So click on connect, select the Google account that you want to connect using, click on continue. And as you see, Google Calendar connected successfully. And this way you will start seeing your your Hostinger builder appointments directly on Google Calendar. And this is how to check your appointments in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.